Earn up to $100 without any investment. No matter in which country you live, this method will help you earn dollars easily. Let's start and understand what's it. Not everyone knows this secret method. Yes, you can earn money by uploading files. Sounds new? Sounds unbelievable? Just keep watching to understand this method. I'll explain everything step by step. This method is called Earn by uploading files. The best website for this method is Up4ever. This website pays per upload. All you have to do is to visit this website and upload your files. When you upload your files on this website, it will create a link for your files. This link is specifically unique for your files. You can then share this link on different platforms or wherever you want. When someone uses this link to access your files, you will earn money automatically. It's like upload a file, share the link, and then keep earning from it. Many of you will now ask, what's the proof that this website pays? Well, to see the payment proof of Up4ever, you have to click on Payment Proof on the website, and it will open a page showing the proof of payouts. They have so many pages of payment proofs. Just scroll down and see for yourself. Now that the payment proof is done, we can talk about how much you can earn. Simply click on Make Money. Here you can see a table that explains profit per 1,000 downloads for different countries and for different file sizes. They have 4 tiers. If someone belonging to Tier 1 countries downloads your files, then you will earn $7 per 1,000 downloads. No need to worry. Remember, there are billions of people on this earth. Yes. So let's learn more about these tiers. Now, if someone belonging to Tier 2 and Tier 3 countries downloads your files, then you will earn $4 per 1,000 downloads. You will earn $3 per 1,000 downloads if someone from Tier 4 countries download your files. Now, you must be wondering, what is it about the different tiers? Well, it is about the countries people are visiting the website from, or more precisely, the country people are downloading your files from. Tier 1 includes United States and Canada. Tier 2 includes Saudi Arabia and UAE. Tier 3 includes Australia. And Tier 4 includes all the other countries. Now, I will share with you how to get people to download your files, but first we need to make sure you, the payment gateways. Do not forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. Also, click the bell icon to turn on the notifications. The best thing is that this website supports many payment gateways such as PayPal, Skrill, Payoneer, etc. You can check and choose whatever payment method is available in your country. Now, for the sign-up part, they have both free and paid plans. However, you do not need to do any investment to earn money. Just click on Register Now on the free membership plan and sign up. They will ask you for a username, password, retype password, type in your email, check on I am not a robot, and click on Sign Up. After this, you will receive an email to activate your account. Open the email, click on Activate My Account. Now simply log in on Up4ever, click on your name, and select My Account. This will take you to your dashboard. Up4ever will give you free 120 GB to upload your files. After completing your sign-up process, setting up your payment gateway, you can click on Upload Files. If Up4ever is showing you any notification, then read it carefully. Now click on Upload to upload files. After the upload is finished, click on the file, and you can now see the download link for your file. Share this link with people so they can download your file. Well, now the million-dollar question is why someone will download your files. Well, we have got you covered here too, so listen and be all ears. You can upload files such as copyright-free music or photography and share the link with people in social media platforms or group comments for them to download. What people do is that they download royalty-free music online and upload it on YouTube as a video. Then they share the file download link in description, saying, like this music, download it here for free, and use it for free without any copyright issues. Remember, many people need background sound for their videos for YouTube or TikTok. These people will click and download from this link. On the side note, you can share your ebooks, music, and photography too. Wait no more and start earning from today.